stone with just one glance. This is the myth of Medusa, a monstrous female, feared by all men, on the battlefield and beyond.